start off with our microbit code. The aim of the microbit game we created was for the person to hit the right button on the microbit at the same time as the corresponding number. This would then be totaled up at the end of the game to find the final score. Each time you got an answer correct, a tick would come up on the microbit. The total at the end of the game is then calculated and you will get a you win or you lose sign. The total score is then communicated to the Python code using serial and through our USB in the computer. So let's go check out our Python code. Yay! So here's our Python code. I hope you're excited because I know I am. So we used Python serial and pycharm to import our Python code. So we set our baud rate of the microbit, and then we also selected our COM port, which is COM7, which we found in the communications section of the computer. We then took away all our additional characters to get a clean result that we could import into the matplotlib later on. We then decided to save it to a CSV file so then we can record our results for a longer period of time. So then we move on to our graphing of the data. So we use matplotlib in pycharm, and so we selected our title and labeled our x and y axes. So now we can give a visual representation of the data, which is more comprehensive to a lot of our peers and people who could be using it. When you see us run matplotlib in a minute, you will see on the x-axis is the attempts, and then on the y-axis there is the score. So